All right, here is what you could expect with home prices in the next 5 years. On this episode of Ryan Real Estate, let's get into it. All right, once and for all, if you haven't liked, subscribed our channel, please do so. We try to bring as much good info and valuable info to you as you can. Today, we're talking about home pricing and what does that look like for the next 5 years. So, for potential home buyers, understanding the trajectory of home prices is absolutely crucial. If you watched the news lately, didn't even matter what channel, there's a lot of unfavorable news about home prices over the previous year. The national landscape really depicts a more optimistic picture with home prices on the rise, and we'll show you how. Notably, experts are predicting a sustained appreciation in the coming years. There is a comprehensive survey that is done called the Home Price Expectation Survey, HPES, and it's conducted by Pulseonomics, and they recently poll about 100 professional, and that spans economists, housing market analysis, and investment strategists. So they do all this, send them the survey, and here is the consensus based on lots of different factors, but these are the experts. And these consensus is there's going to be a positive uptrend in home prices year on year, extending up to at least 2027. Take a look at this graph. Through 2027, the study predicts that home prices will continue to increase about 3.5% a year on average. The yearly average in the US for the last 30 years has been about 4% a year, so that puts us right back on target. All right, so with that information being said, how does this actually impact homeowners and those wanting to dive into home ownership? Well, the appreciation trajectory spells great news. So let's just take a hypothetical example. If you were to purchase a home today valued at $400,000 at the start of the year, projections from the HPS study survey suggest that your potential household wealth accumulation would be exceeding $71,000 over the next 5 years, meaning your home would now then be worth $471,000. So with all the information said, can't guarantee that, but that is what the experts are saying. What is our big takeaway is that homeownership really isn't just about having a place to call your own, building out your man cave, hanging out in the backyard, barbecuing. It represents a significant opportunity and an avenue for you to build long-term wealth accumulation. I did a video recently which talked about the difficulties of actually purchasing a home, which if you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. But with experts actually anticipating steady growth in home prices in the next half decade, purchasing a home today could actually be a great strategic move to help bolster your worth in the long run. I mean, if I had the chance to buy a home 50 years ago, I wasn't even born, but if I could, I would have done it in a minute. And once again, if we follow history, home prices have continued to rise decade by decade. Now, if you look month by month, year by year, sometimes you'll see them go up, come down. But if you look decade by decade, home appreciation is huge, and it's a great investment opportunity for you. For anyone contemplating home ownership, the landscape is clean and it looks like a great opportunity for long-term financial growth. If you need a great team, we would love to help you out. Always give us a call at the Adams Group, shoot us a comment. If you haven't liked, subscribe, do that. And maybe home buying journey is on your horizon. It might be the ideal time. Otherwise, we'll see you next time on Ryan Real Estate.